everybody, to How Did It Garage. Today I'm going to be draining the gas tank out of the four-wheeler. Why am I draining the gas out of the four-wheeler? Well, there's weed eater gas in it. The kids wanted to ride the four-wheeler. It was out of gas. They came into the shop. The big jug was out of gas. Of course, I got weed eater gas, and that's what they grabbed. They didn't know. They should know because it's an unspoken rule. The big can is regular gas, and the small can is always chainsaw and weed eater gas. But I guess they didn't know. Didn't care. I told them they was going to do it all themselves. They was, they could figure out how to drain the gas tank, or they won't ride it or whatever, but I need it myself for work. Because I want to hook that up tomorrow. See, because of that. That's why. Because mosquitoes is unreal out here this year. I have no idea why. But where I live at, in the southern Kentucky part, it's insane. It's never been this bad. So I'm declaring all-out war on skeeters. So, but first, before I can do that, I gotta get that ready. So let's get to it. Now, I have no idea how to drain the gas tank, but I guess we'll figure it out together. Should take the other side off. Well, I believe this line right here is what comes from the tank. Fuel lines goes through all types of different stuff. I've never seen nothing like this. But there's an oil filter right there. Here's where it's at on here. I'm gonna try to undo this connector right here and hopefully drain the gas out. I believe it's a winner. Residual weed eater gas in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put regular gas back in here. I'm going to put some fuel injector cleaner in there also. And hopefully nothing will mess up. So with the weed eater gas in there, it still ran. It just ran like butt. It just ran like crap. The fuel injector cleaner in there. If it's not fine, I'll tear it all apart, check everything, but hopefully it don't come to that. At this point, this is when you gotta hurry up and wait. I believe I pretty much got it drained out. I got a slow drip going on. I'll probably go ahead and put it back together, and tomorrow when I wake up, go ahead and get the new gas and fuel injection carb cleaner. So that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for that. But if you follow the channel and you're curious about what's going on with the mower, got it all put back together. Got the deck bearing put back in it. Works really good. Made a video about it, but it wasn't too interesting, so I didn't post it. But the Camaro, it's still acting up. I didn't get a new battery for it. I'm not sure what's going on with it. I got a couple things I'm gonna try later on, but that I'm not too worried about right now. I got other stuff to do. The Malibu head still ain't done yet. It's supposed to be done last Friday. This weekend I was gonna make a video about it, but it ain't done yet. Tomorrow I'll check on that also. Got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow, and I have to work. Life. Back at it again. It's another night, another problem. Yep. Battery's dead in it. Probably fried. Let me show you why. That's why. So if you follow the channel or watch the channel, or maybe you're watching this because of the other video or because of this video where I replaced this, I wouldn't recommend buying this part though. I'm going to leave the video up for a tutorial of how to change it out. I want to change the title to something else. So this is what I'm dealing with now. I pulled that off as soon as I realized it wasn't starting. The key I put in there wouldn't turn, even though it's the right key. Then I unplugged it and pulled it out and seen that. Check the battery, it's at 2 point whatever. It's supposed to be at 12 volts. Luckily, when I was trying to replace the battery in the Ninja a year ago or so, I think, I ordered the wrong battery, and I've kept it. Luckily, I did, because it's the same exact one as this. So I'm about to put this back in there and possibly try to hotwire the four-wheeler so I could use it, because I got that project up there where I'm going to put a sprayer on here, and I plan on spraying the yard for skeeters. So whew, one thing after another. I finally got it all done. I ended up having to hotwire it to get it to go so I could spray the yard or whatnot. Of course, I'm not going to show that for obvious reasons. I don't want people to know how I got mine rigged, and I don't want other people rigging other four-wheelers that's not theirs. Yeah. Anyways, let's go wrap this video up. Till next time.